Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. We are going to do something different today. I have been following her channel for quite some time, but this is the first time I've ever ordered any of her boxes. And so I'm really excited about one. The other one, and when y'all see it, y'all will know which one it is. And the other one, I think I'm really gonna love. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button, ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. So, some of y'all may already know the channel, the Hedge Hog Hollow. Alexandra, I think she launched these last year maybe, or maybe the year before, I can't remember. And what caught my eye was she's got one with a sugar skull. Actually, one of y'all tipped me off to it, and I went and checked it out, and then she was having a sale on past kits, and so I picked one of those up too. So I don't know which one we're opening up first, but we're gonna find out. So it's in the little box and wrapped in tissue paper. Let's get it out here. Cute little sticker. I love how the hedgehog has glasses just like Alex's. So, anywho. Oh, okay, this is the one that is a past kit. And we have a pixie stick. I haven't had these in years. So, I guess I'll be having that for dessert tonight. We're having tacos tonight. Tonight's taco... Oh, it's not Tuesday. Can't say Taco Tuesday. So, this is the card that's kind of like the theme, you know, crafts. And this was the March 2020 box. That month they were honoring all of the creative friends with a crafty theme box, and they have some beautiful sentiments hand lettered for them by the talented Jess Francisco. So they have a Facebook group for box subscribers, so you can see the design team's posts. So I guess I'm gonna have to go check that out. So it's the Hedge Hog Hollow on Facebook. So apparently the retail value for this kit was $90, and I think I got it for $24. So I like the card, that's cute. And I don't know if you can read that. See, isn't that weird? Now my phone is autofocusing and it wasn't doing that. That's crazy. So it says, create, adventure, thank you, best wishes. Crafty friend, you inspire me. Happy birthday. Glitter, craft, dream, and love. And this is called Vertical Words. So I think that's pretty cool. So there's that one. And then this is called it just says exclusively hand lettered by. So always, forever, inspire, loved beyond measure, you rule, don't measure your progress against someone else's ruler, forever, thank you, than you're the best, there's no better, you inspire me, my, you, always, and dream big, and happy mail. So that's a nice set. Is it... I always forget what they're called. So like be, being, been, are those adverbs? I can't remember. But all I remember was in the 5th grade, I had to memorize them all. So don't laugh at me. If someone's an English major, they're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. Please comment down below. But the words are am, is, are, was, were, be, being, been, do, does, did, have, has, Oops, I forgot. Am as are was were, be me been, do does did, shall will, should, would, may, might, must, can, could. There we go. And I can't remember what type of words those are. I want to say they're adverbs. Like, well, I don't know. Anyway, back to the kit. This one is called Crafters Embellish. So we have all kinds of like little stitching. And honestly, I would also use these for like throwing like a, you know, like your card looks like you're throwing a paper airplane and it's just loop-de-looping through the air. Crafters don't lie, they embellish. Handmade with love. You got this. And then you have your paint palette and a little tube of paint. So I like that one. And then this is the reason why I wanted this kit. Crafty Girl, we got the little envelope. We have some glue. That's probably like a jar of paint or something. Your thread and needle. Fountain pen. You have the paintbrush that apparently painted creativity. Then it says, what happens in the craft room stays in the craft room. Throw kindness around like confetti. I love that. And then friends who craft together stay together. And then you have a giant ruler here. Goes to look like 6.5 inches, which goes well with, where's that one? Oh, don't measure your progress against somebody else's ruler. Get it? So, love that. Then we have a stencil that is basically a ruler. So I guess you layer this on top. So like there's one. I'm gonna have to figure it out because that ruler doesn't make sense. So maybe it's layered. That's all I can think. But I do love the font they used. So there's that. And then it came with these 3 envelopes, which I really love. Now they're Lickits, but I keep a little sponge for that. And then, oh, we have more. We have 3 more in this really pretty pink. So we have like this blue, soft blue, and this soft pink. And then we have some cardstock in these colors. And then my understanding is this is actually Nina Solar White. Like this is good hefty cardstock for the card bases. So I really love this kit, especially since I got it for $24. So there's that kit. So we're gonna set this over here. And then the next kit, I hope this is the right kit because I'll be sad. You're supposed to order after a certain date. And I think this is it. Yes! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You have, well, when you see, you'll know. If you're new to my channel, you're gonna learn. Okay, this is the September kit. So if you see this kit and you love it, I think it is still available. So you can go to her website. It's called the Hedge Hog Hollow, and go under, I think under subscriptions or kits, I'm not sure. And this kit is this month. So I can't tell you how excited I am. The last month was cute, but not my cup of tea. But hello, dem bones, dem dry bones, shake them skeleton bones. So, Day of the Dead, y'all know me. I'm gonna have to go into my emails because somebody emailed me and told me about this kit, that I needed to go check out the preview. And oh look, even the candy. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. So if you're new to my channel, I am a huge fan of sugar skulls and the holiday Dia de los Muertos, which is Day of the Dead. And I always loved sugar skulls, but I didn't know what that holiday was. And it's actually, living in San Antonio, you kind of learn a lot. And it is basically the tradition of honoring family members who have passed. And so it just makes me love sugar skulls even more. And I'm sorry, those are just the cutest. So this kit includes a StyleTech Craft Yellow Opal, there's vinyl, StyleTech Craft Glow in the Dark vinyl, Dia de los Muertos stamp set, Sugar Skull stamp set, Day of the Dead Words stamp set, a coordinating Sugar Skulls die set, which was what I was really excited about, white card bases, colored cardstock, envelopes, candy, Tonic Studio and Ellen Hudson coupons, available via the Facebook group, cool, and regular subscriber bonus rose stencil. Oh, okay. Total retail value $95. Now I did pay whatever her going rate is right now. I did pay retail for this, but this is awesome. So we have Happy Fiesta, La Memoria, Remember, Celebrate, Till Death Do Us Part, Buen Dia de Muertos, and Day of the Dead. No, and I never took Spanish, so I apologize if I butchered anything. I try very hard. But yeah, this is called the Day of the Dead words. So there's that one. Here is the wonderful sugar skull that I was so excited. So you have, it's 2 dies. So you have the background and then you have the actual sugar skull. So when I do this one, it's going to get cut out in many colors so that I can do inlay, because I love to inlay. Oh, I'm so excited about that. Then we have so here's our cardstock for this kit. So there's 2 purple. Oh, I love the colors. 2 orange and 2 blue. They have a shimmer to them. And I guess I'm going to try and reach out to her and find out what the brand is, because I really like this, and it's a good, a nice weight cardstock as well. So, and I'm a Gator girl, so I'm all about the orange and the blue. So there's that. Here are our envelopes. We have 3 envelopes this month. This really pretty, it's like a pewter gray, a pink, and this really vibrant yellow. And then we have some slimline envelopes. We have this navy blue and black. I don't have any slimline stuff. I know that's a new thing. Well, it may not be new. But so I'm happy for that. Oh, and greens. We have it in that pretty green. And then, so this must be the glow in the dark. And this is really, this is like heavy. I'm going to have to check, because it doesn't say if it is just a vinyl or a heat transfer. And then there's this one. And as you can see, it's got a really awesome color shift to it. So this is the brand of the vinyl. StyleTech Craft Yellow. So this is called Yellow Opal. And this is the glow in the dark. So I'm going to have to go check them out. Here's our card bases. So excited about that. And I think she's mentioned that she's going to start selling this cut. Or I'm going to have to find out the exact which Nina it is, and because I really love, it's a really nice weight. So here's the bonus stencil, and those have been around a while know I adore roses, so really excited about that. I believe she designed this rose. So there's that. Here is the Sugar Skull. I'm going to call it the Sugar Skull family. Dia de los Muertos, Shake, Rattle, and Roll. That's cute. Together Forever. And then we have the bride and groom, a hibiscus, a rose, the guitar, the two little cute guys that were on the card we saw at the beginning, and we have a sugar kitty. Y'all know I'm in love. This is just the best. So there's that. And then we have the bomb diggity. We have the sugar skulls. And I love how there's two different designs of the big, and then each one of these small ones is a different design as well. So I am so excited about this kit. So this is just amazing. I'm gonna in the editing, I'm gonna try to remember to put a link to her YouTube channel and a link to her website, so you can go check out the kits. I don't know if the past kits are still on sale, but it doesn't hurt to go check, because that first one I showed you, like I said, it was $20-something. You can't go wrong with that. A total steal. So anyway, and again, this one, the Sugar Skull, that is this month's kit. So if it's not sold out, I would go snag it up really quick if that is something you're loving. So with that, I hope y'all have a great week. Again, I still have a lot to share with y'all this coming week. So, you know, stay tuned. I got Happy Mail from my friend Karen at K is for Karen. So that will be one of the upcoming videos. She's currently on her way to Houston to go visit with Amy from Amy's Got a Glue Gun. Of course, you know, if you follow Karen, you know the tune. So anyway, I hope y'all have a great day. And with that, love you guys to pieces. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.